Now this question says determine the general solution of sine x minus 3 cos x is equals to 0. Now to simplify this, the first thing you will do is move cos over to the other side. Now the next thing we're going to do over here is we notice that if we divide both sides by cos, on the left hand side it will produce tan, and on the right hand side the cos can be cancelled out, which would help us find our general solution. The reason why we can get tan here is because we notice that the value after our sine and after our cos are the same. So as you can see, they both have x and they both have x. The first thing we'll do is determine which quadrants tan is positive, because we see we have plus 3 over here. So as you know, tan is positive in the first and in the third quadrant. Then we move tan over so we can get our reference angle. And now that we have our reference angle, we would substitute them into the equations in which tan is positive. So the equations are x and 180 plus x. So those will be our two answers that we put it into. So our first answer is just going to be x is equals to plus the example we did previously, which involved sine. It ended with K360. However, for tan, we always end with K180, not K360. So we're still going to put K is an element of integers. This would be your first answer. While your second answer, as we said, this will fall in the third quadrant. It will be and don't forget to put K is an element of integers. And this would be the two answers that you're going to get for tan.